Hi, to download additional watch faces on your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, make sure that this Garmin Connect app is downloaded and watch is connected to this app. To check this, we can just go in this app. On the bottom of the page, select More section. Here, choose Garmin devices, and now make sure that you can see the name of your device and the status connected. Great, after that we will need to go in Play Store or App Store depending on your device. I'm gonna choose App Store, and here we need to find this Connect IQ app, which looks like that. We need to install it, and now let's open it. Your device will synchronize automatically. Right here you can tap on these two arrows to synchronize it once more. And now, to install additional watch faces, we can go in this IQ Home, for example, and here you'll see this list of paid watch faces, top paid apps, and so on. So here you can check additional watch faces, free and non-free, or you can go in the search tab. From these categories, select watch faces, and also you can sort it by popular, recent, rating, and relevant. So this is the list of additional watch faces. Let's select this simply large, and to install it I'm gonna tap this blue button like that. Wait a few seconds till it's installing, and here you can see that this watch face has been installed to my device. So let's check it. And yeah, this is how it looks for me. We can also go back here, and now on the bottom of the screen select Face It, and in this section we can quickly create and send unique watch faces to your Garmin watch. You can swap them out easily from this library. For that you will need to tap on the plus, select either camera, photos or preset backgrounds, and after that you'll be able to set your custom watch face. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.